Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to welcome the Acer Chairman and CEO, Jason Chen.
Hello, everyone. Acer has been named to be one of the world's most sustainable companies. Our friends from Google, John Solomon, to join me on the stage.
The Acer portfolio is phenomenal. We're really looking at bringing AI to everyone.
And I would like to start from the Iconia X12. It has a beautiful 12.6-inch AMOLED display, and it also has a quad stereo speaker setup to ensure an immersive multimedia experience everywhere you are.
Now we're going to talk about the notebook.
So today we are bringing AI excellence to everyone thanks to our new Swift Go 14 AI, our most accessible Copilot Plus PC yet. We were able to reach an amazing 28 hours of video playback on the device. The Swift 14 AI and Swift 16 AI, powered by the brand new Core Ultra Series 2 processor. The Swift 14 AI offers up to an amazing 29 hours of video playback.
Wait. We just talked about 28, now it's 29.
Yes, we did even more. We also started just 9.7 millimeters thin, and they weigh only 1.26 kilos, so they're super light.
It's very light.
We're introducing Acer Assist, our new AI-powered personal assistant. Acer Assist is running locally through a large language model and lets you search and summarize your documents with ease. And it's like having a tech-savvy friend who knows exactly where everything is. We're also introducing an important update to Acer User Sensing 2.0, where we take privacy and productivity to the next level.
Jason, brother.
My long-term friend, how are you doing, Jim?
You couldn't keep me away. The Swift 14, we reimagined it, re-engineered it. It's just beautiful. It's the thinnest and lightest of all Acer Swift devices ever built. 29 hours of battery life.
29 hours battery life.
Yes, that's right. You know, we did it together. The Swift 14 and 16 deliver a combination and compelling performance, battery life, and features for consumer and commercial. We love being your partner.
Thank you. I love this partnership.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Right. Thanks for having us. You bet.
And we are introducing our first Copilot Plus PC under 1 kilogram of weight. In the era of hybrid work, we actually need a laptop that's both thin, light, but also portable and secure. And the TravelMate P6 delivers here.
Mark!
Hi, bro.
How are you doing,
Hi, Jason.
Mark?
How are you? Good to see you. Look, Copilot Plus PCs to us are the fastest and most intelligent Windows PCs ever built. And you can see Acer's first launching device here, the Swift 14 AI. And Acer was
I was
there.
wondering, are we among the first? Actually, you say we are the first. Now is the time for the highlight for the day. Gaming.
They were so excited to introduce our first gaming handheld PC, the Nitro Blaze 7. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, it features an impressive 7-inch Full HD screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. So, our new Nitro V14 comes with a stylish and elegant white design, with a perfect mix of sophistication and personality. Up to AMD Ryzen 7 processor with AMD Ryzen AI technology and up to NVIDIA RTX 4050. You have the Nitro V16, and it will be your perfect companion. It comes with the latest Intel generation processor up to Core i7 and up to NVIDIA RTX 4060. And it offers a wide 16-inch QHD panel with 180 Hz refresh rate. Our latest monitor in the Predator XB3 series features a 27-inch QHD screen that rocks an impressive 360 Hz refresh rate with only 0.5 millisecond response time.
NVIDIA, Eden Ford, join me on the stage.
Acer, you're going to be one of the first to market with this incredible new technology. And the 27-inch monitor comes with a 1440p resolution and a 360 Hz response time. This will be one of the best G-Sync monitors ever brought to market.
So here, our new innovative Cyclone X360 fans not only increase cooling efficiency by a whopping 15%, but is also reducing the overall motherboard temperature by 9 degrees.
Up to 9 degrees cooler. All right, 7,000.
It's actually the first product to feature our game-changer Cyclone-X X365 powered by Intel next-gen Arrow Lake processor and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090
4090.
to provide smooth gaming experiences. Predator Project DualPlay is a bold new form factor that includes a detachable wireless controller.
First in the industry.
Guys, here you go.
I'll see you next time because the best is yet to come. Thank you very much. Thank you.